going to be showing you how to make an origami crane. So you want to start with a piece of paper on a flat surface with the white side up. And first you want to fold it in half, and then unfold it, and then fold it the other way in half. So like hot dog and hamburger style. And then you unfold that so that you have like two creases like that. Then flip the paper over and do it the diagonal way. Half. And then like the other diagonal way in half. And then you'll have all these creases. Put it down so that the white side is facing up again. And you want to take both of these corners and fold them towards each other, and then like flatten it out like that. There's a closed side and there's an open one. You want to take it from the open side. Okay, so but you do this, and then you fold the top triangle back like so. Like you fold this back, and then unfold these ones, and then pull this up like that, and then flatten it out. Flatten it like this, and then you unfold this top part and do the same thing on the other side, which will be easier because you have like things to follow. So then just pull up like this again. Okay, and then once you did that, you kind of have like a canoe shape, I guess you could call it. Diamond, not a canoe shape, don't use that. You have like a diamond shape on both sides, and it's a little split up here. And next you want to do like fold the triangle in like how we did last time, like this, and like this. Okay, make sure when you do this, you do it on the side that's like split, but you want to fold these in like so. You want to be folding them in. I didn't do a second. So like you have it on this side, and you do it on the one that's split right here. So you want to fold it up like this. So you want to fold it up like that. So I just took that and folded it and like put it in, and then do the same on this side. So it's a little rough, but you just have to pull these up like that. You want to fold your wings. You're gonna be folding your wings out. So literally like flat down on this, and then make sure that they're like even. Make the little head of the crane like this, and it will look like this. And look how good it is. If you've never done origami before, I would not recommend this one because it can be a little tricky, but you can always watch this video to help you, and you can read directions online as well, whatever is easier for you. But I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on how to make an origami crane. Thank you for watching. For FMTV, I'm Amanda.